What's up, guys? Such an intimate crowd. I'm not used to this. This makes me more nervous. We're the Sound Junkies. We play a lot of hip hop, so I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna censor myself a little bit. I'll do my best, but thank you guys for coming out. It's much appreciated. This is actually our DJ's first time on stage, so we can give him a round of applause. Thank you.
So what the heck's wrong with this chick? She got 2 kids. bottom, I told the bottom, I saw you just throwing your daughter. Harder and harder, straight into the bottom. If they must say, I swear to the bottom, but I just gotta see the wonderful person that you claim to be. Evidently, I have the dim. Hardest thing I did was sleep with them kids. I'm not with that chick. This is something that the Lord won't forgive. There is no atoning for this, so I'm going to hell. The devil himself will be waiting for me in the cell on a phone call. Who better be out? No asking what the hell is doing about. Ooh, run away with me. Yeah. Run away with me. Hey, yeah. Run away with me. Yeah. Run away with me. Yeah. I'm sorry your feelings absurd. I had a good time for what it is worth. Let me apologize for that perverse. I got a big mouth to give it a curse. Little dramatic, I being happy. I'm so rich and drunk, cause I got the habit. Take it to grab it, touch it like baby. Tear it on, I'm like a mic when I snag it. Hit the front door and I'm gone. Tell my somebody to do this, some songs go bounce. Bounce, little thinking those kids jumping around. Sing it, 1, 2, 3 to the 4, 5 to the 6. Let us forget, take me away to the land of the sinners. Cause right now the kids on the with the regenerate. Oh, run away with me. Run away with me. Yeah, yeah. Run away with me. Yeah. Run away with me. Hey, yeah.
Thank you guys so much appreciated. This is our tuning song. Give it up for Mr. Alex Luxon over here tearing out bass lines. Chris Winslow behind the drum set. My name is Stu Junkies. Thank you guys so much.
Why don't you happy old age? 25 picture that's just fine. Turns out you're just signed up with your soul. Here's a brand new car, check the tank. I think it's full of you and peace in the plastic glove. Look at all the plastic boys and girls. Buy what you sold it, do what you told it, sign it to go it. Don't tell it so to you and me. Just in the plastic glove. Started writing all of these songs when I know it ain't all. Till I'm at the answer all the wrong kind, all the wrong kind. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? So where did I go wrong? So where did I go wrong? I'm heading down to the train station. I'm looking down the track for redemption. I hear it coming, I feel it breathing. Hear that whistle blowing, and I know that it's leaving without that train. Come around here, no more. That train, no, come around here, no more. That train, no, come around here, no more. That train, no, come around here, no more. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? So where did I go wrong? So where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go That's Where Did I Go Wrong? That's of our latest album, Fathom. We're gonna go into what you guys probably know. We're kind of eclectic if you guys didn't get the memo. I feel like I could just talk to you guys about Hey, Tim. Hey. All right. Yeah, I'm leaving them things alone. 'Cause ain't no sunshine when she's gone. No sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. No sunshine when she's gone. And this house is saying no. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
Thank you, much appreciated.
Yeah, I'm on a swing set, flying back and forth, going side to side. I feel so alive, but I'm inside. I just can't decide if I really want to survive this ride. I'm always running, I'm always stunning. She gotta move, gotta stay up on my feet. Shiny lights coming, gonna dark this gun. Steal to my temple and it ain't no fun. They're coming this way, I'm running away. Just let me see the end of the day, but today's just tomorrow's yesterday. They're coming this way, I'm running away. Just let me see the end of the day, but today's just tomorrow's yesterday. Yeah, but I still like to see tomorrow could be the day that the system come to ruin the cops and retribution for every innocent life that they've ever ruined. Oh boy, I ain't that dumb. You see the Bible, the up rugged. Tiny lights coming, gonna dark is gun. Steal to my temple and it ain't no fun. They're coming this way, I'm running away. Just let me see the end of the day, but today's just tomorrow's yesterday. They're coming this way, I'm running away. Just let me see the end of the day, but today's just tomorrow's yesterday. Tell me what you got in society. Why you got problems maintaining sobriety? Questions I can't answer, sir. They told me keep my mouth shut when I'm running to you. That's just what I plan to do. All my life I've been afraid of you, 'cause Johnny Law's coming, gonna drop his gun. Smile across his face, baby, thanks, it's fun. They're coming this way, I'm running away. Just let me see the end of the day, but today's just tomorrow's yesterday. They're coming this way, I'm running away. Just let me see the end of the day, but today's just tomorrow's yesterday.
Thank you guys, much appreciated. You're a great crowd, great audience. If you could keep the noise down a little bit, there's too many people in here, I can't quite hear myself, so be appreciated. sorry, we kind of fly by the seat of our pants on this one, so. This is another one that's a little different. You guys like beatboxing? Anybody? How many people in this room have ever heard of beatboxing? Okay, but I like the show of hands instead of the clapping. That's great. I'm a little sick, but I'm gonna try to beatbox for you guys. It goes like this. But ladies and you gentlemen, you are now involved with the sounds of Timmy. So get the signing off. Thank you guys. We gonna do a little freestyle right here. I'm gonna start with Pikes Peak Center. Check it out, yeah. In the Pikes Peak Center, yeah. You just enter the center. That's right, 360 degrees. Communication all up on your knees. Like, better be praying. Yes, this ain't God. Is this kid for real? He's kinda odd, yeah. Like, in his baseball cap, got his big ass chain, yeah, all of that. Sorry if I got a curse and all of that. Coming on that because I got my baseball cap. Little red with the black right here. When we do that, I get my flavor in, yeah. Keep the flavor in, yeah, give me your word. And I might just chill and flip you the bird. But nah, ain't gonna do that today. I might do that on a different day. But we wanna thank Gundy looking like Dumpy. I'm just playing with your homie, coming around me like, yeah, going like Rumpy. Bad, all of that shit, cause we are. Yeah, the sound junkies. All we trying to do is get up in your girls' undies. Like on my side cause it sounds so crunchy. Yeah, that's how we do it funky. Yeah, we funkin' in a monkey. What you gonna do because you know we like your unky? Or your auntie, I say excuse me. Just coming back because they know you're using me. Use me just chillin' on the block. Knowing me, yes, I might get shot. Coming out the Pikes Peak Center, didn't expect it. Yes, cause you know we just wrecked it. Like that, like that. Chris Winslow, be on drums, give up on for the solo. I enjoyed that. Alright, we got one more song for you guys. This is one of our new ones. It's called Spittin' Right. Bear with us on some more hip hop. Oh wait, Alex got a tone. So Garrett's gonna put on a little beat for us. Again, give it up for Garrett once again, first time on stage. Everybody knows it's a little bit intimidating up here. He's doing a good job. Goes by the name DJ G. I'm gonna give it to him for a minute. DJ G, be the realest MC. Yes, we represent the 303, but we come down to 719 feeling fine. We like to welcome y'all for welcoming us. Yeah, you might find us in Toys R Us. I think they just picked up my album. Nah, I'm just playing, drop it like it's album. I like Solomon the Great. We coming back because you know it ain't fake. Got the turntables, they don't spin. It don't matter, y'all. My name is Tim. You know it's a freestyle, straight off the top. Give me your word and I might serve mix a lot. This ain't the 80s, I sure wish it was. That way I get a nice buzz, but nah, I'm just playing. I don't dabble in that ish, but I'm just saying. You got some, meet me around this corner. Yeah, because I wanna chillin' with my boys over here in the back. Got their heads up, yaks like that.
Appreciate the energy, boys. Looking forward to your set, because you know they coming next. Like, yeah, they is if you didn't recognize. Yes, they coming all over your eyes. Check it out, we just warming it up for them. That's right, they could be cooler than Tim, right? That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying. Always got to know, no, we never playing. Yeah, so let the rain down. Yeah, about to break it down. Break the set down and break the pipe center up. Yeah, cause I don't give a fuck. Nah, I won't put it in there. Let me give you something put up in your head. Ooh, you better stop it getting nasty. Cause you know I ain't classy. I'm the dog with the voice real raspy. Call me Lassie. Nah, did Timmy fall down a well? I'm just saying, my head swells with the egotistical musicianship in color like this. You never heard it vivid like this. I could be 716, but Brooklyn's all up in the mix. We looking good, so you might as well cut it. Yeah, we smoother than some butter. We like to freestyle a lot too, just so you guys know. That's where that comes from. This is our last track of the night. We want to thank you guys again for coming out. Thank you so much. We want to thank Gundy once again for getting us up in here. I don't know where you at, dog, but thank you. Spitting right. Check it. I hear the siren, trying to be a good man, but nobody's hiring. How you supposed to get the greenbacks? Employers are supposed to call back when you left, hit the road, Jack. You left his kids and his cat, left his family wondering if you would never come back. So in other words, I didn't get the job. Call me Robin Hood because I want to steal a ride, but I never give back. Never give in, living in sin. Am I the illest? Well, that's a given. Scrapping Christian women and they ever tell the written. That's why I keep a little like my name was Letterman. See, I'm better than most MCs and they gave me my sole purpose on this planet is to entertain. I entertain your funky asses for a minute. Let me go and spin it, show these people that I'm with it like. It's a symphony hall, right? Not what you expecting. This right here is me being interacting, treated and perfecting. Don't you dare reject it. Someone call this EDC, I think I've been infected with the funk flavor, rhythm and rhyme. I switch it up on the end, my life stop on a dime. I do this all the time. I'm up here singing in my sleep, so you stalking ass raps. Keep the technique out. You can say I got the rap sound, regardless of skin tones. Always got my eye on the end zone. Got respect from the guys, I respect the 4Ds rock band. Think I saw the block. For real, get the serious style. People full of diabetes, see I'm spotting the spot. This is all that I got. I gotta take us to the top. Yes, I'll take a breath out. Stop. We got strings to it. One more time, like. Now we get higher. Put the picture on Facebook, you'll get a like. Look, got 100 likes on my status, so I'ma walk around like bullshit matters. I'm just playing around, cause you probably see that song on the shit like right now. You better click on it, God, I swear to God. I've been grinding on this track way too hard. I've been spitting right since the day I started life. You just source, about to give myself 5 lights. Body this beat, make it more complete in that sentence. Time Junkies killing it, the general consensus. Business as usual, yes, we confusing you. That's what this music do, guaranteed to kill you. Yeah, so just put the mic down. Go find yourself a nice girl and settle down, settle down. Once again, everybody with the Sound Junkies, thank you so much. Give it up all around. Alex Buxton on bass, Chris Winslow on drums. DJ G has done his job very well this evening. The man of the hour. Thank you guys so much. Stick around, we got some great music coming up. You guys ready to go? That's what I thought, that's what I thought. Come talk to us, we got some CDs, some of these sweet t-shirts right here to us. Ooh, that sound like
that means the Sound Junkies will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you coming out, sticking with us.
About to Sound Junkies.